Amidst the desolate California hillside landscape, a house stands as a symbol of resilience and rebirth. This house sits on a site devastated by two previous wildfires. Rather than abandoning the site, the project presented an opportunity to rebuild a home that was more resilient, more thoughtful, and more in harmony with its natural surroundings. The architects utilized the largely concrete foundation left over from the fires. This decision not only reduced construction waste, but also preserved the building's heritage as part of the site's history. From this foundation, the house's elongated simple volumes are built to follow the contours of the hillside, allowing the building to feel modest and not overpower the vast mountain landscape. The house's facade is clad in strong weathering steel that can withstand extreme conditions. This material was chosen not only for its fire resistance, but also for its ability to change color over time, creating a look that increasingly blends with the surrounding land and vegetation. Large glass openings are strategically placed to capture the natural views while bringing natural light into the interior spaces. Inside, a warm and serene atmosphere is created through the use of natural materials such as wood and exposed concrete. The layout is open and simple, allowing the living room, kitchen, and dining room to connect naturally with the landscape outside. A long glass-roofed corridor provides a path of light that guides movement through the house while strengthening the connection between the interior and the sky above. More than just a residence, this is a statement about how architecture can adapt to disaster-prone environments. With its self-sufficient energy system and fire-resistant design strategies, this house demonstrates that even from destruction, more thoughtful architecture can emerge. In a place once devastated by fire, now stands a serene home, a story of rebirth, resilience, and coexistence with nature.